Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How we can create Facebook video for our marketing, for digital marketing of our products, of our items. It is very simple. Log into your Canva account, go to videos and select Facebook video. There are different kinds of videos will open up, and you can see that you can promote your brand choosing the right video, choose a video according to your demand. You can take free videos and promote your products on social media. For example, I want to select this is not free, but I have the pro version, so I select this. This is my social media Facebook video. Customize this template. And here its editor mode will turn on. You can see that you can change the text and the images both. So here you can change everything. You can change its background, its color, its text. I want to write here huge sale. In this way I can change its size. Can change this box also, huge sale. Move the text here. Delete this. Right here 30% off. You can change its background. Click here, go to uploads and change its background in this way. This is my own image and I want to set it in the background. Click on it and send backward. Control Z, select send backward. If you want to select something else, you can delete it and place this thing in the background. Select it, send to backward, and you can change its transparency. Here you can see that this is the this is my Facebook video, promotional video. When you have completed everything, you can play this video. Look at it, it is now ready to play, and you can sell things. You can sell things of your own demand. So this is the video which is ready, and you can use this video for social media marketing, especially Facebook marketing of your products, of your items. So thank you so much for watching this video.